Welcome back, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to create a 3D text effect on Canva. So the first step is to add the text. Then from here, change the background color as well as the text color. So you want the background and text color to be matching, and before you do that, also customize your text font to something that you would prefer to use. Then change the color of the text to match the background. Then from here, ensure that the text has been selected and go to Effects. Under Effects, select Shadow, and then change the color of the shadow to black. With the color changed to black, now we can customize the offset. We can change the direction as well as the blur of the shadow, but we want to leave that at a 0. And then the transparency, you don't want the shadow to be transparent, so it should look something like this. Then from here, just to duplicate your text and ensure that each duplicate is aligned with the original. So keep duplicating until you feel as if the shadow that you're developing is enough. Then once you've found that it's enough, on the last duplicate, ensure that it's been selected. Go to Effects, and then under Effects, obviously shadow would have been selected. So from here, change the color of the shadow to white. With the color changed to white, then the transparency needs to go down. You don't want it to overlap the darkness that you've just created. Then you can increase the blur of the shadow as well as the offset. So you want to be able to see the white so you can tell the difference between the background and the text. Then you can also choose to change the direction of the offset. With the blur, you want to take it down to 15, 16, around there. Then the transparency, you want to increase it a bit. So keep customizing as you move along so that you can get your perfect 3D effect. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.